Good morning, grade ones. It's Tuesday today. It's the 14th of July, 2020. And today we are going to look at some phonic sounds and first the homework. Okay. Right, yesterday's homework. Complete the sentences by using the words in the blocks. Okay. Now we are going to write the words in the blocks. If there are any of you who would like to give me your homework sentences, thank you for those two who sent me the homework on my email. Then you can share your homework. If you didn't send it to me, you can share now. Raise your hands. Okay, thank you. Anyone? Grade ones? You want me to give you the answers then? Okay, let's do it that way. Get your pencils ready and mark. You can choose any word and to complete your sentence. And sometimes you can use more than one word, like I like to. You can say I like to run. You can also say I like to play. I like paint is another one. You can also say I like to write. So there are different choices to do. And here, the second one is I like to build. And the only word that fits there, I like to build blocks. Okay. Or of course you can say build puzzles as well. Yes, build blocks or puzzles. And another one is we like to sing songs. That's the only one. Okay, now we are going to do our sight words. And it's here, my lovely children. You're going to read me your sight words because they are very easy. It's words that we've already done before, and I'm sure you will be able to read it. Abongiwe, can you write the sight words for us? I'm not going to read it first today. Who wants to raise your hands, children, if you want to read the sight words today? They are very easy. Oh, okay. Let's unmute McKay. Thank you, McKay. You can read it.
Green.
Yes.
Red.
Yes.
Yellow.
Good.
Pink.
Yeah.
Blue.
Good.
Peach.
It's purple. Purple.
Purple.
This.
This.
Yes. And the last one? With. Well done. Ayanda, can you read it to us, please? Let me
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Green, red, yellow, pink, blue, purple, this, white.
It's with.
Oh, with.
Can you see with? There's a sound with. Good. One more. Thank you. That's good. Who else? Let's do one more reading on these words. Oh, Nathan. Your turn. Nathan?
Green.
Yes.
Red. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Purple. These.
Yes. With. Well done. Well done. All right. Oh, let's do Celeste. And I see Gloria also want to read it. Okay, we're all going to read it. I'll give each one a chance to do the reading. Okay. Now, Celeste. Let me.
The
Yes,
name is Malachi. That's Celeste.
Celeste. Is it Kai? Okay.
Malachi.
Okay. Read. Okay.
Green, red, yellow, pink, blue, purple. This with
With. Well done. That was nice and clear. Could everybody hear that? That was good. Thank you. Now let's go to Leo. Leo?
this party.
Leo, teacher's asking me to read.
You come.
Green, red.
Leo, are you ready to read?
Red, blue,
Okay. Let's hear.
green,
Yeah.
red,
Good.
yellow,
Yes.
pink,
Good.
blue,
Blue. Good. Purple.
purple.
Mm-hmm. This
This
and with.
with
Okay, thank you. Okay, now the last one is Kunashe. Right. Kunashe.
Green, red, yellow, pink, blue, purple. This with.
Well done. Can you see, people? These are words that by now you as grade 1 should be able to read. Thank you for everyone who did it and who tried hard to do it. We must keep on practicing. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen now. Okay. Oh, now we are doing phonics. Now, phonics is spelling words. I saw that some of you struggled with the sound, the T and the H, the, and then can you remember the word this from the sight words? And then there was also with, and it's also TH, then you pronounce it as the and th. But now we've got new spelling, we call it phonics, where we've got a sh sound. A SH makes sh, like she, ship, shop. Can you see that in the pink block? She, ship, shop. Then in the orange block is sheet, sheep, shirt. And now we are going to have it at the end of the word for wash, wish, dish, Reese. You can read it now. I'm going to unmute Reese. Your turn to read.
She, shop, sheet, sheet,
Yes. Okay. Wash.
wash, wish, dish.
Good. Thank you. Okay. All right. One more, Gabriel. You are going to read the phonics sh sounds.
she, chip, shop, cheat, chip, shirt, dish,
It's yes.
wish,
No, go. It's wish, yes. And then the top one is
wish.
wash. Okay. Okay, Aliyah. I will give you a chance as well. You can read now. It makes me so happy when everybody is so keen to read it. That's how we learn. Okay, Aliyah, you read now. Aliyah? Hi. Start with she. No, she, ship, my dear. She, and then ship. It's a sh sound. Oh, shop.
She goes to.
Now, my sweetie, you're not on the right page here. You're not reading the words. Look at the screen, and then you look at the sh sound. It was sheet, then it's sheep. Then it's shirt, wash, wish, and dish. Okay, good. We're getting on. Oh, here you are going to find the sh sound and fill it in and fit it to the correct picture. Right. Now you have to fill in for the first one. What is the first word? Which picture match the first word? McKay. McKay. Let me, yes, McKay. Okay. Did you find his match? Shark. Okay. I'm going to just get my pencil out. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Right. So you say shark. Okay. That is the first one. So we put the sh sound here for shark. See? Right. Kunashay. Next one is yours. Kunashay.
Yes.
Yes. What is that?
T-shirt.
A shirt. Yes. That is a shirt. What is the sound? Give it to me.
S.
And
A.
for shirt.
And A.
Shirt. Yes. Give me another one. Give me one more. The next one. What is this?
Shop.
That is shop. What it starts with? The
An S and a H.
a S and a H for shop. Okay. Thank you, Celeste.
It's Malachi.
Okay, sorry. Is it your mother's name, Celeste?
No, mine. No,
Okay,
it's not.
you
It's
Malachi.
my name. My name is Malachi, and my mother is called Celeste.
Yes, because on
I'm
your
Malachi.
name on listen, yeah, your name on the screen here is Celeste. So I can't see your face, so I won't know. Malachi, now give me this one, the next one.
So you can see my face properly. No, just read what the teacher said.
Come, sweetie, give me the word.
Read. She doesn't even see your face. Read it.
No, I'm not allowed to. Look, what is this one, Malachi? Fit this word.
Ship.
Ship. Give me the first letters for ship. It starts with? Give it. For ship. Ne. That's the ship. Okay. Okay. And what is that? Malachi? It must start with what? Look, what is over the bed? What do we call that thing? Eh? What is that? Eh? Malachi? Yeah. What is this? It is a sheet.
Sheet.
Yes, that's a
Sheet.
sheet. So here we've got shark, shirt, shop, ship, and sheet. Thank you. Okay, now let's get on. Here we've got a picture, and you are going to tell me, we are going to discuss. What do you see? Kanashay, tell me what you see on the picture. We're gonna just talk about this, the picture.
Okay.
Okay?
I can see a boy eating, and I can see
What is the boy eating here? What do we call that thing? Do you know? What is he eating?
a
A burger.
burger.
Well done, yes. And what else do you see?
I see a girl swimming.
A girl swimming. Thank you. Okay. Shy, your turn. Okay, Shy. I'm trying to unmute Shy. Okay, you've put your hand down, Shy. Okay. A little bit louder so we all can hear you. What do you see?
Answer.
Yes.
I see a whale and some boats.
Good. That's a whale. There's the whale. Yes, that is good. And what else do you see?
What else do you see? Put your hand up. It is up.
A
No,
boy.
I don't see anything. Put your hand
I
up, please.
see a ship.
Yes, you see some ships and a boy with ice creams. Thank you. Leo.
Man.
What is Leo?
Yes.
Man.
Okay, what do you
Man.
see?
I see somebody digging sand and a boy who's going to go surf.
Yeah, the boy is going to surf. Yes. Okay. Anything else you see here?
I see a whale and I see a girl seeing fish.
Yes. Look at this girl. What has this girl got on her face? She's going underwater.
Yeah. This is a girl that's looking at the fish. What do you call it?
Okay. Aliyah,
Goggles.
thank you so much. The last one who can tell us something what she sees is Aliyah.
It's called snooker.
Aliyah?
Why they call it snooker?
Okay. Aliyah, are you there? Okay. Speak louder. You are very soft, sweetie. Try to. Okay. Can you put up your volume and then you can start. Okay. Now, okay, I can hear you now. Tell us what you can see. What you can see.
I can see a whale
Yeah.
and also a cat with the girl that's digging.
Yes. Okay. Yes. I wonder what's the cat doing on the beach. Whew. Haha. That's a thing. What else?
And I see a whale
Yes.
that's shooting water.
Yes, it's squirting water. Well done. And look on the beach. What are the children doing on the beach? What are they doing there?
Swimming.
On the
They're
beach.
swimming. And I see
But
a
look,
girl that has goggles.
you see a girls with, yes, goggles. We call it a mask. And what is that thing that you see in her mouth? What do we call that? Snorkel. We call it a snorkel. Yes. And now look on the sand. What is happening on the sand there?
Sorry, Ben.
Okay, what is happening on the sand?
I see a boy that's drinking, and I see a seashell that the boy made.
What is that that he made?
Castle.
A sandcastle. Yes.
Yes, with seashells.
And seashells. Good. Have you been to the sea before?
I stay in Devon by the sea.
Okay, good. Right, now we are getting on. Let's go. Now we are going to read the sentences. I will read first, and then if you can read, you can raise your hand, and then I can let some of you read as well. We have fun in the sun. We like to dig and we like to run. Sam has a red cap. I sit on a mat and eat a big bun. Good. Who's gonna read? Abongiwe. I'm gonna unmute Abongiwe. You're gonna read for us, please. Abongiwe,
Yes, ma'am.
read please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We have fun in the sun.
Well done.
We like to.
No, I tried to talk.
We like to
I
dig
concur with you, you know,
and
that, you know,
we like to run.
so this is
Good.
like so something similar like a voice class
Sam
sort of thing, you know. So it's all about who you know.
has
Okay, so I know this person very
a
well, and this is a good
red
friend of mine. I'm gonna take your view,
cup.
you know. Yeah. So
Good.
yeah. So if you can check that team, there's no diversity at all.
I sit. Are you still there?
On
remember
a
security like
mat and
Sean, so Peter used to report to Sean.
big
So they built this thing.
pen.
So it's like their baby.
Bun, a big bun. I eat a big bun.
Yeah.
Okay, Reese, thank you so much. We're gonna unmute you, mute you again, and then I want Reese, please.
Yeah, so like Edison said, guys, so don't try.
Let's hear Reese.
I don't know how to have it. I don't know how to. I don't want to.
Okay, let's read. Reese, are you there? You
Well,
can read.
But, I mean, like the way you gonna approach, for instance, Darren or David. So the way you are.
Okay, read, please.
We have fun in the sun. We like to
Before you actually, maybe let's say you wanna go complain.
a red cap. I sit on the mat and eat a big bun.
Well done. Can I hear Pusaletsu now, please? No, okay, Nathan. I see Nathan's hand is up. Was first. Okay, Nathan, you will be the last one to read the sentences for us today. Nathan, yes?
We have fun in the sun. We like to dig and we like to run. Sam has a red cap. I sit on a mat and eat a big bun.
Thank you so much. Okay. Now, children, when teacher is reading some of the work and do it, you must pay attention and you must please look on the screen and concentrate. And when your friends are reading sentences, all of you must follow, and in your mind you must read along, because by seeing the words and hearing it, that's also a way of learning it. If you are busy with some other things and you don't pay attention, you miss out. Then you won't read so and learn so fast. Okay, well done. That was good reading from all the participants. Now we are going to practice our writing. Okay, And with that, I need to put on my pen again. So we are going to write in lines. So what you need to take out now is your book with lines. Today we are going to write in the lines. We do the K, and the small letter K for cat is only half a circle. We just go halfway around the circle. And you must not go out of the line. And then you make one finger space. You put your finger in there, and then you start the next one. Half the size of the line for the small letter K. Put a finger space. Then you are going to write another K sound for cat. Finger space. And then the last K for cat. That's how we write K for cat, small letter. The big capital letter is just the same, but it takes 2 lines. Can you see that? So we do it the same way. Half the circle. Are you practicing with me? Half the circle. Don't go out of the line and complete your K. Then we make a finger space. Always finger space. It is practicing to make spaces between words. And then another finger space for the capital K inside the line, and I won't fit another one. That's practicing our writing. Okay. Now, worksheet. You are going to look at the picture and match it with a word. Put up your hand if you know the first one. Find a match. Find the word for the picture. There's the picture. What is the word? Who wants to read it? I see Bootle is back. Well done. Bootle, are you on? Bootle, not today. Okay. Hands up, please, so the teacher can see who are the ones who would like to answer. Okay, is Bootle there?
Yes.
Okay. What is the match for the first one, Bootle?
Cat.
Cat. Well done. That's cat. And the second one?
Game.
Bootle, do you know the second one?
Game.
What is that?
A game.
A den. Yes, that's the tent. Yes, it's like a den, a place to stay in. Thank you. Nathan, you are next. Nathan. Okay. What is that? Which picture fits the word? Nathan.
P-R.
Yes, the pen. Okay. And the next picture? Nathan?
The box.
The box. Well done. All right. Now we are going to ask Aliyah. Yes, Aliyah. What do you see there?
I see a car and a
Yep.
man with me.
Yes, a car and a man. What is the man doing?
He's running.
Okay, now which word fits the picture? The word?
The man running.
Yes, run. Okay, now look at the last one, Aliyah. Okay, Aliyah, I'm gonna thank you. I want to give Abungiwe a chance again. All right, let's unmute Abungiwe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me the last one. Match the
Dot.
word with dot. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Abungiwe. All right. Now, children,
Welcome.
we are now with reading sight words. Woo! All these words on this chart is words that we have done. So you are able to read it, I'm sure. Abungiwe, come, you're going to read it. Okay, Abungiwe, your turn. Start reading it.
A, M,
Yes.
N,
Good.
N, and
Okay.
can, Do.
Do, we say do.
Do. For. Go. Has. Have. He. Here. Here. I. In. Is.
Yes. Good.
It.
Okay. Okay, stop there, please.
Yes.
Okay, now we are going to mute you again and we're going to unmute Gabriel.
Yes, ma'am.
You get, okay, go on from there. You start at it.
It. Like.
Good.
Look.
Yes.
Me.
Yes.
My.
Yes.
No.
Well done.
Play.
Yes.
Sit. See.
Yes.
She. So. The. To. Up. We.
Good. Good, both of you. Thank you. Now, who wants to try again? Anyone? Yanda, are you there today? Wouldn't you like to try? Thank you. Oyanda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Oyanda, read them, please.
Am. And.
Okay, the first
And.
one, stop, Oyanda. The first one, everybody listen well. We say a. That A, we pronounce as a. Am. Okay, start again, please, Oyanda.
Am. And. Can. Do. For. Go. Has. Have. He. Here. I. In. Is. It. Look. Like. Me. My. No. Play. See. Said. See. She. So. The. To. Up. We.
What is the first one again? Oyanda, give me the first one again. Are you still on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the first one?
A.
Yes, we say a. We don't say a, we say a. Like a cat. Can you hear it? A cat, a dog. We don't say a cat, a dog, a pen. We say a cat, a dog, a pen. So when you see that a, it's just a, the sound. Well done. Well done. Good. I wonder, I'm going to repeat it so that everybody can listen carefully. This is some more sight words, words that we've already done. This is a revision. A, am, and, can, do, for, go, has, have, he,
He.
here,
Here.
I, in,
In.
is, it,
It.
like,
Like.
look, me, my, no, play, said, see, she, so, the, to, up, we. Good. I can read. So you can say to yourself, I can read. And now our homework. Now you need to take a snapshot of this because you have to copy the sentences first. Okay? You have to copy the sentences. You have to copy it just the way it is on the slide. Do you understand? You copy the sentences and then you are looking for the sh sound. And all the words where you find a sh sound, like sh for she, you are going to underline it in color. I'm going to repeat it again. You copy the slide, you take a snapshot, then you rewrite the last 5 sentences. You don't have to do the example. The first one is how to do it. That's the example. Then you copy down from the slide, from your camera. You write the sentences down in your book. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. And then after that, you take your color pencil and you are showing me. You can circle or underline all the sh words that starts with sh in the sentences. And that is your homework for tomorrow. And you can send it to my email address. Again, I will look at it. You are welcome. So here are your homework. I hope you are done in taking a snapshot because we are going on. Your takeaway message today is amazing things can happen when you try. Yes, that's true. Amazing things can happen when you try. And with that, I'm going to give you my last slide for my email address. So you are going to copy the homework down in your book, take a photo and pass it on and send it to my email. Okay. And with that, my dear children, thank you very much for today. You've worked hard and we did a lot of work. So thank you very much. Goodbye. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.